Hey guys, how you doing? This is Marco Kino. I am Assistance and Automation Specialist at our company IV LEADZ, where we provide business owners like yourself the right system and automation to scale your business and take it to the next level. Now, every week we share tutorial videos to our clients and subscribers in giving them value and making sure that they are aware of the features and tools inside our all-in-one CRM. Now, for today's video, I'm going to show you another tutorial. And if you don't have any CRM yet, we offer 30-day free trial so that you can test it out and also follow through the tutorial videos that we are creating so you can do it yourself and get results as soon as possible. Alright, so for today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can import an entire ClickFunnel landing page into your IV LEADZ CRM without having to rebuild it from scratch. You heard it right, it will take you less than a minute to actually transfer over your ClickFunnel page into your IV LEADZ CRM. Now I'm going to share with you an example. This is a ClickFunnel page of our dear friend Amy Amata, who's actually hosting a workshop on September, and we are in partnership with her in promoting this event. Now we are going to actually create our own page based on her ClickFunnel landing page, and instead of us, creating it from scratch, I'm going to show you something that will, help you transfer over your ClickFunnel page in less than a minute. So first step is to actually have the link from ClickFunnel that you want to, transfer over, and copy that link and go to your dashboard, click on sites. From here, we're going to create a new funnel. Okay, let's call it Amy VIP Day. Click on create funnel. Once you create that, click on add new step. And from here, you're going to paste the ClickFunnel URL that you've copied from ClickFunnel. So pasting that here, going to name it main page. And from here, go click on I confirm that this page either belongs to me or I have permission to use these assets. Now, when I click create funnel step, the system will actually rebuild the entire landing page without me having to do anything, right? In less than a minute, it will help